Get started with CURD. Sign up with your email address and input password. Click Continue. Next, you need to verify your email. An email will be sent to your email address. If you have a referral code, you can input it or skip this step. Nextly, you need to choose your personal and professional interests. After finishing these steps, you will be asked to fill in your name and title. You need to upload your profile photo from the library or by taking it. Press Confirm and your account is ready to use.